She's first Build-A-Bear. I'm gonna get her filled up, and I'm gonna get a little strawberry scenty in her. Get her legs. Get her other leg. She's coming alive.
Alright. So you're
There we
gonna give her
go.
a great big bear hug. Tell me, is she too hard, too soft, or just right?
Fluff her up a little bit more.
A little more? Alright. Go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How's her tummy? Yes.
Alright, and where would you like the smell to go? In the belly or the head?
The head, please. She's so cute. Thank you again, Zach. Show yours. Yes. And what was the scent on yours? Snow or something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen the diabetes memes? Yes.
Oh, okay. Go to Build-A-Bear. Talk about that.
I gotta find mine.
Your little friend back there.
Huh?
Yay!
Awesome. Alright, so, here's one in the head. That's right. So what I want you guys to do now is I want you to pick out your hearts from the heart bucket.
Mine was 36 candy bars. He's 29. What is it up?
Alright, so I want you to take your hearts in your hands on shoulder your cheeks. You share all your smiles.
1 second. Will this? Nope.
On your shoulders, so you always have a shoulder lean over your head. On your tummy, so you stay super fluffy. On your knees, so you always need one another. And your back, so you always have each other's back. Hold it to your heart, close your eyes, make a big wish. When you're all done, seal it with a kiss. And you can put them right inside.
Yay!
Awesome.
Feels weird. Yeah. All this is formed up now.
That is so cool.
It's formed up. It's actually custom.
I love the deer thing on your keychain. That's so cute. Thank you. This is Aurora.
Yeah.
She's named after the Aurora Borealis.
Aw.
I love that all these things have names.
This is Damaged.
You got some damage? I feel like you wouldn't understand after
Oh, so that's how you tie one up. Look at the tying job on this. She's seamless. My new little friend. Get those wishes in there and hold it
Company
tight.
idea, but damn,
You're rich now.
they had a venture. Do you know if the
Did you know that
even
they
if it's 9
actually?
o'clock, if the elevator's still good around 1?
I assume so. Elevator shouldn't stop.
Oh, yeah.
Escalator.
They don't stop. They don't stop the elevators until 11 or 12.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
That's about the extent of what I.
All right. There's your husky.
Yay.
Are you ready to see why she's called Damaged?
Yeah.
She got a stanky leg. Do it a stanky leg. Do it a stanky leg.
That is why she is called Damaged.
Thank you so much, Zaki.
Goodness.
Yay! Yay!